Hi, and welcome to Everlaw. My name is Michelle. I'm on the user education team here at Everlaw. The organization administrator role provides powerful functionality designed for clients managing multiple and complex matters, and is only available to clients who sign an annual contract with Everlaw. Please reach out to your Everlaw customer success representative or email support@everlaw.com if you have questions about accessing any of the functionality discussed in this video. In this video, we'll touch on the basics of organization administration on Everlaw, including creating databases, suspending and closing cases, and monitoring organization activity. Organization administrators are the account point person and will be responsible for creating new cases for their organization. They have full access to all of the cases owned by their organization on Everlaw. Organization administrators can also suspend and delete cases, view billing information, and track user tasks, so we strongly recommend that this permission is only given to users who need it. To access Organization Administrator tools, start on your Everlaw project homepage and click the diamond O in the top of the screen. If you do not see the diamond O, then you will need to ask your current organization admin for access. This is your organization dashboard, which shows all the databases and projects owned by your organization. We can see both the database and its projects in this list. The database will be in bold and all of its projects will be listed in the drop-down menu. The project with the same name as the database is the default project, and it will contain all of the documents in the database. Databases and projects are important components of managing matters on Everlaw. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, we recommend you download this resource and review it. Org admins can suspend databases, which will place the entire database and all of its projects in a frozen, perfectly preserved state, inaccessible to all users and billed at a lower rate. Suspension and reactivation happen immediately with the click of a button. When a matter has concluded, org admins can delete the database. Deleting the database deletes all projects associated with the database and their work. We recommend that you export all the projects and work product associated with the database before deletion. Deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you've started an export, go to the Tasks page to monitor its progress and download the export when ready. We recommend confirming the export is fully downloaded and that you can open the zip file before deleting the database. When you have a new case to put on Everlaw, you'll want to create a new database that will hold all of the data for that case. Select Add New Database, give the database a unique name, and copy over various settings from other projects as desired. To ensure your Everlaw workspace is set up with the correct users, user permissions, and tools needed for your case, you can customize the projects associated with your database via project settings. If you wish to reuse these settings across multiple cases, you may consider creating a template database with these settings. Then, you can use the template to quickly copy standardized settings to your new matter. There is no cost associated with an empty template database. Database fields can be used to organize or track key information about your cases at the database level. From here, you can create custom fields or labels for your databases, such as a matter ID number, a confidentiality flag, and more. Select Add a New Field to specify the field name, which users it will be visible for, and the type of value that can be input for that field, such as a numerical or a text value. You can pin up to 3 fields, which will make them visible to all users with access to that field when viewing the database name. Once these fields have been created, you can identify these values for each database upon creation and edit them for existing databases at any time. From the Database Sizes tab, you can track the size of your databases within your organization and export that information. You can use database labels to filter your view on this page. As an organization administrator, you can grant other users organization admin permissions as well. From the Users tab on your organization dashboard, select the space under the Org Admin Permissions column in the row of any user to manage their permissions. New users can be added to your organization from this page and granted the Org Admin permission as needed. Keep in mind, granting this permission will give them access to all matters within your organization, as well as all organization administrator functionality. Finally, the organization dashboard grants you access to a variety of additional information about your organization. For example, the Tasks, Current User Activity, and User Access History tabs can provide insight into activity being performed by users across your organization. To learn more about additional organization administrator permissions and abilities, visit our training center by selecting the link in the upper right corner. To access our support team, as well as helpful articles and videos, click on the Project Help icon on the platform. As always, please feel free to contact us if you need support.